A Wi-Fi booster is a hardware device that works with your router to boost and repeat the Wi-Fi signal to areas in your home with poor signal strength. Boosters can work as a single unit, or some systems use multiple units to create a mesh network to cover larger areas. But so many look so similar. Which ones are actually built well and have the features that will match your needs? In this video, we break down the top 3 Wi-Fi boosters on the market this year based on performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for a budget booster to improve Wi-Fi signals in a particular area or room, or a comprehensive solution that can create a more far-reaching mesh network, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which Wi-Fi booster will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up is the TP-Link RE605X Wi-Fi 6 extender, our pick for best Wi-Fi 6 booster. The TP-Link RE605X Wi-Fi 6 extender boosts your Wi-Fi signal to eliminate dead zones in your home by connecting to your router and repeating the signal, extending the overall range to areas with poor signal strength. The dual-band repeater gives you up to 1.8 gigabits per second speeds. 2 antennas extend from the sides, and a gigabit Ethernet port is available on the left side to provide a wired connection for your PC, TV, or gaming console. LED indicators on the front give you the extender status at a glance and include power, signal indicator, and both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. Setup is as easy as downloading the TP-Link Tether app to configure the extender. The app will even visually indicate where Wi-Fi signals are weak, so you can place the RE605X in the area that it's needed in. The RE605X uses seamless roaming through TP-Link's One Mesh system. This means that as you move around your home, your device will always connect with the strongest signal, rather than hold on to a weaker signal as it would in a conventional Wi-Fi network. The RE605X can make a noticeable improvement to your Wi-Fi performance with network speeds up to 100 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz and 5.0 GHz bands, providing you use the app to find the best area to place it in. Downloads and streaming are improved as well, jumping up as far as 11 megabytes per second on the 2.4 GHz band, while the 5.0 GHz band could deliver up to 12.5 megabytes per second, matching the performance of more expensive routers on the market. The TP-Link RE605X Wi-Fi 6 extender would be a good choice for you if you need to address a dead zone in a particular room or location and don't need the expense or whole home range of a mesh networking system. It's also very easy to set up and is compatible with Wi-Fi 5, so you won't have to upgrade your router to use it. Next up is the Veritech DB1200, our pick for best budget Wi-Fi booster. If you have Wi-Fi dead zones in your home and need to stick to a budget, the Veritech DB1200 Wi-Fi booster is one of the most affordable ways to improve coverage and boost Wi-Fi signals throughout your home. The DB1200 is a fast, dual-band Wi-Fi 5 extender that offers fast connectivity for your TV, security cameras, gaming consoles, computer laptops, and more. This small device uses 4 adjustable antennas to emit high-powered signals strong enough to penetrate walls and floors of different materials and thicknesses, allowing high Wi-Fi connectivity throughout your home. You'll enjoy a more stable signal for 4K streaming your favorite shows and movies with uninterrupted speeds up to 1200 megabits per second, as well as improved performance for gaming, downloading, and web browsing. You'll also get support for multiple devices with less lag. The DB1200 is a dual-band extender that works with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz connections. Setup is simple and easily connects to your router using a one-touch WPS button. To find the best area to place the extender, an easy-to-read LED Wi-Fi symbol lights up each segment to indicate the signal strength. This is an easy way to locate the strongest signal from your router and help you position the DB1200 in the best possible location with the highest level signal, giving you extended coverage up to 1,200 square feet, including multiple floors and the power to penetrate walls and floors. An Ethernet port is included for any wired connections you may want to set up, and you'll enjoy speeds up to 100 megabits per second. Whether you're streaming movies or music, working from home, playing games, or surfing the internet, with the Veritech DB1200 Wi-Fi extender, you'll never have to worry about signal strength and Wi-Fi signals. If your router is based on the Wi-Fi 5 standard and is constrained by a budget, the Veritech DB1200 is an effective and affordable solution that would be a great choice for you. This Wi-Fi extender features easy setup and will eliminate any dead zones in your home, so you won't have to constantly hunt for a stable Wi-Fi connection. Finally, we have the Netgear Nighthawk EX8000, our choice for best mesh Wi-Fi booster. Netgear's Nighthawk EX8000 tri-band Wi-Fi 5 mesh extender has the power to penetrate any dead zones in your home, improving range and connectivity for all your wireless devices by creating a mesh network using both Wi-Fi bands to establish a single high-speed connection that's perfect for HD streaming and gaming. Unlike the other extenders we've looked at, the Nighthawk EX8000 is a bit larger. Across the top, you'll find an array of 8 LEDs that show the status of the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, data flow, and Ethernet and USB activity. Along the back, 4 gigabit LAN ports and a USB connection give you an excellent selection of ports. There are buttons for activating the extender's WPS Quick Connect sequence, as well as a power button and a recessed reset switch. Setup is simple. You can connect the extender with your router by using the WPS button, or you can complete the setup through a web browser using the Netgear Genie-based procedure. Once you issue the setup command, the installation assistant wizard takes over and will guide you through the entire process. The EX8000 uses Netgear's FastLane 3 technology, dedicating one of its 5 GHz channels to move data between your router and the extender, moving up to 1,733 megabits per second and 866 megabits per second over its two 5 GHz channels, as well as 400 megabits per second on its 2.4 GHz channel. Beamforming and MU-MIMO techniques effectively serve multiple devices, and inside there's a quad-core processor and 6 amplified antennas that can add up to 2,500 square feet of coverage. While the antennas can't be aimed at a specific area, they can pass the signal on to an additional EX8000 extender to create a mesh network for larger homes. If you have a larger area to cover, the Netgear Nighthawk EX8000 is one of the best mesh Wi-Fi boosters available and would be a very good choice for you. You'll get better speeds and more stable and reliable connections for all your devices, no matter how large your home is. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.